In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create faceless YouTube videos quickly and consistently using simple AI and design tools. The first thing you want to do is choose a faceless YouTube niche. This is important because your niche gives your channel direction and makes it easier to create content repeatedly without guessing what to post next. Good faceless niches are usually simple, repeatable, and easy to turn into short videos. You want something with clear audience interest and plenty of content ideas so you can stay consistent over time. Once you've chosen your niche, open ChatGPT and ask for video ideas. This is one of the fastest ways to brainstorm content in bulk. You can request a list of ideas based on your niche, and that gives you a strong starting point instead of trying to think of everything yourself. If you're planning to make a lot of content, this step can save a huge amount of time and help you keep your ideas organized. After that, ask ChatGPT to create short scripts or quiz style content. This works especially well for short form videos because the content needs to be clear, fast, and engaging. Keep the wording simple so it's easy for viewers to follow, and make sure the script matches the style of videos you want to produce. Quiz formats, facts, quick explainers, and list style scripts are all good options for faceless content because they're easy to pair with visuals. If you want to make videos in bulk, put the scripts into a spreadsheet. This helps you stay organized and makes your workflow much smoother. You can keep track of your video ideas, scripts, and production progress all in one place. When you're creating multiple videos at once, this kind of system makes it much easier to stay efficient and avoid repeating yourself. Next, open Canva and choose a video template. Templates are useful because they give you a ready-made visual structure, which means you don't have to design every video from scratch. Pick a template that fits your niche and feels clean and easy to watch. Then add the text, images, music, and animations. This is where your script turns into an actual video. Make sure the text is readable, the visuals support what's being said, and the music doesn't overpower the message. Simple animations can also help keep the video engaging without making it feel too busy. When everything looks good, export the videos from Canva. Then upload consistently and track which topics perform best. Consistency helps you build momentum, and tracking performance helps you understand what your audience likes so you can make more of what works.